Okay, I think we missed our turn. They were here. Wow, they caught up quick. They were supposed to be back where we were. I thought they were staying there a couple days, but I guess they caught up to us. So I take it this is the right way, hopefully. Now we got Terry and Scott to follow. Yay, I'm glad they caught up. Park. Oh, that's what the tribe said on the bulletin. Foster Park. Okay. Well, I'm glad somebody was leading because I had no idea where the heck we were going. It's pretty here, though. I like the trees. Guess I'll pull right here for now. Because I think it's just dispersed camping. You just kind of, as long as you're not on the road, you pull off on the grass and you're good to go. Alright. Alright, I guess I'm going to see what everybody else is up to.
Welcome to the Tom Green County Park System.
Speed limit, 15 miles per hour. Alright, so here are some of the rules and regulations. Overnight camping, not to exceed 3 nights. So you get 3 nights here. Pretty cool. What do you think of that, Moo-moo, huh? Think, whatever.
Where's your 6-foot leash, little Moo-moo?
What do you think of that?
I think it's bunk.
Bunk?
Bunkity bunk bunk.
Gotta have your leash here, Moo-moo. Alright, you wanna come outside? Come on. Come here. Let me put your leash on. Good girl. There goes Jennifer and her kids.
Down farther and check it out.
Well, I think Scott and Terry actually went down that way to go scout out an area.
They look parked.
Oh, are they parked down there?
Yeah, they have a nice little spot. I mean, she was walking around, so maybe they're scouting it out.
Huh.
Well, I'll walk down there, see what's going on.
Yeah, alright.
Been here before?
Nope, this is our first time.
Let me clue you in.
Okay.
It's fixing to be a mess.
Why is that?
Well, it's Easter weekend.
Right.
All the locals from town are going to come out here and wreck this place. Come Monday morning, it's going to look like Beirut.
I don't think we plan on being here that long. It's just a day.
Thank you very much.
California, I am.
Ooh, cows.
Well, how did y'all all meet up? Y'all was a roving band of...
Just caravan, yeah.
Nomadic tribe. Did y'all do a magic show or circus or anything?
No magic shows. Moo-moo's a superstar, scratching her face.
This state park.
You go, superstar.
A year, and I transferred over there, and I got through, and I thought I was going to come back.
You know it, Mama.
Terry and Scott just called me, and they said they found us a spot, so we're going to move further in. It's right by the water as well, which is awesome. Water's always good. So let's go down here and see what this spot looks like. There's a lot of tent campers here, just everywhere. They're all spread about. Not many RVs. Oops. Thank you. I'm not sure where. I think they said it was straight down. That's where they were. Wow, look at all these tents here. see him now. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna have to park differently. Because I want to have some sun on my solar panels. Maybe I can park this way right here. Okay, the guy that we were just talking to said that this spot was kind of unlevel. So, I don't know. We'll see if we can all fit in here.
How weird was that we all met at the intersection?
I know, I was like, oh my god, there they go! So glad y'all caught up.
Scott's like, that's Ross, and I was like, that's Aja.
It's beautiful here.
Seeing you.
It's good seeing you too. But they said that, see, the guy up there said that this is really unlevel area. But maybe
no,
Ross can pull into there, yeah.
Look at this right here. You just gotta straddle that.
Yeah, that's true.
And then up there is level.
I think I'm gonna stay there because I'm in the sun with my panels and stuff. So I'm good there. I just need to probably level my front tire and that's it. If I even do that. As long as my back end's up, I'm good. Because I don't like my head to be down. What, lady?
Nothing. I'm not
Were
saying
you
nothing.
laughing about my back end being up?
No comment. If Ross came in like, I mean, think about that.
Yeah, if he came in like this.
Yeah, right, and like that.
Or somewhere. I don't know. He'll figure it out.
There's that, and then there's that all down
There's
in
Jennifer. So Dana and Steve, that's in the family. That's who we're waiting for. I know the kids are gonna love swimming in that. So there are already people swimming in it. Awesome.
I want you to be careful of the snakes.
Snakes are out?
They are.
Oof.
One tried to get in somebody's house.
Really, Scotty? I'm glad I'm not scared.
No, you're not scared.
You need to be louder and more spastic when you try to scare someone.
It was on
You gotta be like, blah!
At 1 o'clock, or no, that's too early for you. At 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to come up and I'm going to yell in your camper, and then I'm sure you'll set Moo-moo loose and she'll take my neck out. But
Yeah.
I'll get you sooner or later.
She'll bite your ankle off.
No, there was a snake on the news that was climbing up somebody's gutter, and it was like wrapping itself around the handle of the door of the house.
Yeah.
So I thought, you know what? It can get up in the sides of my truck.
It should be fine. We should be fine.
Yeah. Well,
Don't
think
jinx
we'll be fine
yourself.
here.
Knock on
I'm
wood.
afraid of them, so
I know.
yuck.
Look, it's a geocache. An empty beer can. Yes, I'm definitely pleased with this spot. This is freaking awesome. So 3 days of this. I'm not sure if we'll stay here all 3 days. I hope so. This is beautiful. Steve and Dana and the family just got here. Pulling in. What did that guy say?
That guy said this place is where the crow flies and the bull shits.
Like, literally? Where's the crows? I see the cow.
The bull.
Oh, it's a bull? Look at, oh, he's so skinny looking for a bull. Alright.
Onward Bound.
Look, and it's a cement picnic table big enough for the whole tribe. This is freaking awesome.
Bring on the fried chicken, now that we're back in Texas.
And we're at this big ass table.
Huge. Yeah.
I'll have to bleep that out.
You will have to bleep, bleep, bleep.
So, I've been to a spillway like this before.
Oh, it's slick.
Yeah, it is, because there's allergy.
Really, really slick.
Yeah, be careful. But it's awesome. You can actually get on the other side too, or sit on the ledge.
Oh,
Look
yeah,
at that.
You need your water shoes on.
Yeah. This is freaking beautiful.
Aja, look
Awesome.
There's
And
like
it's
a
free.
mussel in here. These little mussels,
Oh, yeah.
but I think they're bad for their legs.
Oh. Well, don't be picking him up.
Okay. I was gonna pick one up.
What do you think, Moo-moo? Don't fall in now.
A lot of garbage.
It's beautiful, though.
Are there an alligator here?
No, not in Texas.
Crocodile?
No,
Bulls?
I don't think so. That's Louisiana and Florida.
Bull right there.
Oh, you said bull. Oh, yeah, there's a bull. I've already I've already shown the bull. So, what do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Right here, I almost threw up.
Why?
car sick.
Oh no. You feel better?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm glad I'm home. That over there looks like a dead duck. Just
No.
sitting there.
I think it's just a piece of wood.
Wanna come in and see it?
No, I'm not gonna go see it. Okay, let me know what it is. Do a swan dive.
There's swans right there.
Yeah, I know, I saw them. Way over there.
What's where?
Swans in the river.
It's actually a piece of wood.
That's what I just said it was, a piece of wood. But good job for going and checking it out. Did I what?
Did you read the instructions yet?
No, sir. I'm more a hands-on kind of girl. I like to just play with it until it works right.
Does it say animals on the back too?
I'm gonna back into my spot. I think.
Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna back it around so
stay
that
right
I can
there?
open the barn doors and watch the lady.
Watch not me.
No, because I don't care. No, I want to the barn doors. When I have the barn doors open, I can lie in bed and watch the lake. That's the whole thing I love about that man.
Right in the middle. I think that ripened properly. Very different.
Because I want to.
Orange is good.
No, not really. I mean, there wasn't any. It's not rushing that hard.
Diesel is really hard. If you take your premium gas cost,
On the other side, it's a little bit of a drop, yeah.
So
and then
here
it's
on
like,
gas
kind
buddy,
of
you
a
can actually
concrete,
select.
It's very shallow.
Look at the difference.
How dry and hard. That's what I'm saying, right?
No
Right
way.
when we came through
Let her
the
try one.
Yeah, the only difference on this one is that
mine
was it's not on your route sometimes. You have to.
Everywhere. Feldo almost as cold as the Colorado River.
Well, what we did is it told me
Down there, you know, with
right. I'm like,
did y'all see the
Try it.
No, it looks dry.
because I want to.
It's not dry,
try to
really.
find gas.
It's just really hard and crunchy and
That would be
sour.
dry.
So we go
It's really
down,
not.
and finally, I'm like,
found a
I'm
spot.
Weird.
not going to keep traveling.
That's like a lemon. That's a lemon.
So I bought it.
Isn't that weird?
Glass or is that plastic?
You want another one?
Confused.
I wonder now.
It's gone.
It's weird.
Oh, the goat's over there somewhere.
Tell
He's having
Danny to
siesta.
try one.
I wonder if it got
sour?
It's weird. It's like maybe not ripe or something. It's weird.
Chase it
Pretty.
after you.
Are you excited?
I think what?
It's my birthday.
Happy
It is.
birthday. It was his birthday like 2 days ago.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Ross.
The day I was
Tell
sick,
everybody how old you are.
they went to eat and I didn't go.
38.
We didn't go.
Okay, I'm 42.
I was going to say, don't lie to the people.
Until the middle of dinner.
Yeah.
I knew, but I forgot because it had been a day. I know. I'm an awful,
You
awful
forgot?
person. Yes, I did. I'm an awful person. But I remembered, and then I got you. At least I got you a cheesecake for your birthday, and
Yes,
also
you did.
bought your. But he had that night. No.
See, I'll keep guessing.
Yeah, she'll guess, and she's usually not good at guessing. Oh, girl, I'm thinking of that color: blue, green, purple, red. The geese are laughing at what you just
I
said.
tell you, it's the truth.
What?
I got bit by a ladybug, and it was one of the worst bites from a bug ever. What? I kid you not.
See, the geese are laughing at you again.
I'm telling you, I thought it was crazy too, but it hurt like a
weird.
Oh my God.
I've been bit by horse flies and everything, and that ladybug.
What did you do that poor little ladybug?
I can't imagine.
I don't know.
If Ross had a ladybug in his rig yesterday morning.
I love him to death.
It was
and
in
everything,
his
but
car. He
It
rode
got me.
Where did it bite you?
I said, you have a
Right on my
ladybug in your
shoulder.
van.
Right
He's
on my
like, oh,
shoulder.
I know, it's good luck.
And it-
Like, yeah, wait till it bites your
took a
finger
chunk.
off.
and nobody believed me, and I said, "Well, look it up." And
Hey,
and
Ross.
Terry looked it up and said, "It can bite you."
Huh.
It was vicious.
That's
It was
weird.
terrible, terrible. It was a ladybug, red and black.
No,
spots
there's
everything.
red and black, or orange and black, or yellow and black.
There's yellow, yeah. They
There
have
are
different.
different
There's
shades,
orange
like-
and
Well, it
yellow.
was nasty. It bit me.
It was the mean kind.
It was a mean one. I usually love them.
We had
It was a
red
mean
ones.
ladybug.
It wasn't
We had
very
red
much
ones.
of a lady then. It was more
his life. Man.
It was an aggressive cougar. Is what
It was a man lady. Wait, it was a
I know it's
man
crazy
bug.
to say, but
Defending its children.
Little whiskey. I'm like, okay.
Give it a little white whisker.
You got any?
chunk them way up.
Didn't even think about.
Yeah, you don't.
Now I wouldn't have put it in your
At the time, you know, that's what you
It's gonna hurt them.
awful.
Could it paint our whole nose or just?
Actually, let's
Get older, you
do a
realize.
different color.
White,
Yellow.
yellow. Here's another one.
You didn't finish the eyebrow over here though.
I got it. Okay.
Moo-moo.
So,
Oh, you're on still on the loose.
Ashes. painting faces tonight.
I like how it has the silver outline.
I know. Don't turn that way. I gotta get some more.
This one won't cost you $15 like Aubrey's did. The face painting? Not the results. We did her.
$15 for one?
Her whole face was painted. Did you see it?
No. I have to watch the video. Do you have it on video?
Yeah. Not yet.
I think it's coming out tomorrow morning.
Because I've seen her Renaissance. She had 3 of them, I think. Right?
On the other channel, I did. Yeah.
I'm gonna have 2.
I have like 3 or 4.
I'm not used to your camera. It's very heavy.
Oh, yeah.
It just dropped.
So are y'all having fun?
Yep. Don't lick your lips.
Don't paint his lips, though. Just get below his lips. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
I am. Oh. I was gonna beatbox into this camera.
Can I say something or no?